So, hang on, people. We're just going to sort something out here. There we go.
Wait, we're actually recording.
Yeah, we're recording.
I was feeling like a vain bastard. Look at the arms. This is round three.
Yeah, that's four. Three. Round three. And we got a drink. We got to have a drink because every other video we've had a drink. So
I think we should actually inform them what's to come out.
Right. Cases.
Round three of Dead Arms.
Dead Arms. And it's going to be the most difficult one.
Obviously, the most difficult one.
Because it's going to be brutal. Because
we're not going to stop, and we're using left hands.
And we're also ending this with a bang, so to speak. So enjoy.
In other words, John's ball is going to be hanging out the window. Again.
Look, seriously, don't make me take him out. Don't make me take him out. I'll be alright. I'll be fine.
It's round three of Dead Arms.
I take my glasses off because safety first. Safety.
Remember, safety first.
Safety first.
Round three of Dead Arms.
Yeah.
After this, we're thinking about Dead Legs. Possibly a couple of rounds of that.
And one last slap fest.
Slaps.
As earlier, so enjoy it.
And depending on how much we get munted. Headbutts.
In all honesty, we got a lot to go. Yeah. So
here we go.
Stay tuned, bitches.
Here we go. Look.
We got loads. We got Carly. Yeah. We got old Rosie, for fuck's sake. We got everything. We've got
the lot.
We're preparing for next weekend at Chloe's Bash, motherfucker.
I'm just spinning your glasses down here.
Well, I'll put my shove it there.
Down there.
Yeah. Right. Drink. Because you've done that in every episode so far. So we're gonna take a swig. Well, we're gonna drink the rest of this shit.
After this one, we're gonna give it chops. If you guys don't know what chops is, have a look about Shawn Michaels and Ric Flair.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take our shirts off for that. So enjoy yourselves.
Hey,
don't get wanking over me.
You're gonna see Dills with all of his tattoos and piercings,
and you're gonna see me with all my gingerness, beautiful gingerness. My nipple.
I really
enjoy it.
I really don't care what people think about it. Slaps, punches, happen to be naked. It's gonna be good. Hey.
Oh no, that's sorry. We gotta pose, We're BullDozer. BullDozer. Enjoy it.
Drink, bitch.
Drink. 1, 2, 3, cunt.
Sit for half. Left
hand. Oh yeah. This is my left hand. It's gonna be shit. Oh god. Left hand. That one. Yeah. Now.
Sure.
Yep. Do you know what? I'm that fucking
Your world is an
it's okay.
We
go. Fuck it. I almost broke my wrist doing that. It's ridiculous. He's got hard punches. Oh, fuck! If you didn't see that,
he gets much.
I just ran into the fucking wall. Ow! Raise the wall. The wall. He knows my name by now. Help me. Help me. I can't strip you lot, but it's my pal. Enjoy yourselves, motherfuckers. Love you to pieces, bitches. Thank you for watching this ridiculous video. Love you all for it.